Dermatophytosis. It is a fungal disease. It is usually caused by Trichophyton, Microsporum and Epitermophyton. These are the agents caused dermatophytosis. It is a superficial mycosis. That means it can affect skin, nail and hair etc. Basically it can also called tinea or ringworm infection. Tinea is a fungus ringworm. It causes ring appearance on the skin. So ringworm infection. It can infecting keratinized tissue. So morphology of dermatophytes. It is a fungal disease usually caused by Trichophyton, Microsporum, Epitermophyton because these are the agents causing this dermatophytosis. It is a superficial mycosis. That means it will affect skin, hair and nail etc. Basically it is otherwise called as tinea. Tinea is a fungus or ringworm infection because it produced ring like structure on the skin. It can infecting keratinized tissue. Next classification based on the habitat. There are classified into three different types. First one is anthropophilic. That means it will affect human beings. Second one is zoophilic. That means it will affect animals. Third one is geophilic means it will affect soil and earth. Now we are focused only anthropophilic. That means it will affect human being. This Trichophyton spindle shaped structure. Second one is Microsporum. This one is pencil shaped. Third one is Epitermophyton club shaped. Trichophyton spindle shaped. Microsporum pencil shaped. Epitermophyton club shaped. Anthropophilic example. First one is Trichophyton. Example Trichophyton ruberum. Second one is Microsporum audani. Third one is Epitermophyton flucosum. Okay, these are the example of anthropophilic dermatophytosis. Now we see about pathogenesis. This one occurred by direct contact, ill-fitting undergarment, especially then skin, nail, hair. In hair, ectotherics and endotherics. And comparing to female, male was more affected because female having progesterone. Pathogenesis, direct contact, hyphae invasion of the skin of the scalp, then subsequently spread down the keratinized wall of hair follicles. Then infection began just above the hair follicles, grow downward on non-involving area as hair grow upward. Then production of dull gray, circular patches of alopecia, then scaling and itching. First hyphae invasion of the skin, then spread to the keratinized wall, then it will produce dull grey hair, circular patches of alopecia and scaling and itching. So direct contact and ill-fitting undergarments, skin, nail, hair. In hair, it causes ectotherics and endotherics. Ectotherics means hyphae production, chain of spores forming sheath around the hair shaft. This hyphae production around the hair shaft. Endotherics means it will produce within the hair shaft. Okay, ectotherics outside, endotherics within the hair shaft. Then clinical types according to the site of involvement. Site of involvement, they have different types. First one is Tinea capitis, that means it causes infection in the scalp. It causes ectotherix and endotherix. Then Tinea pacei, it causes infection in face. Then Tinea barbae, it causes beard mutaches. Then Tinea manum, it causes infection in hands. Then Tinea guium, it causes infection in nail. Then Tinea carboris, it causes infection all over the body. Then Tinea cruelis, it causes infection in groin. Then last one is Tinea pedis, it causes infection in the toes or food particles. So based on the site of involvement, Tinea capitis, pacei, barbae, manum, guium, carboris, cruelis and pedis. Then dermatophytid or IT reaction. Circulating dermatophytes antigen will causes hypersensitivity reaction, that is called IT reaction or dermatophytid. What is dermatophytid or IT reaction? IT reaction is a small question. Circulating dermatophytes antigen will causes hypersensitivity reaction. Next video we will see about laboratory diagnosis and treatment of dermatophytosis. This video is morbology. It is a fungal disease. It is caused by Trichophyton, Microsporum and Epitermophyton. Then classification based on their habitat and site of involvement. We saw next video laboratory diagnosis. That's all about dermatophytosis.